Now let's talk about the advantages of solar energy in reducing electricity costs in the short term and over time. Your solar system will power your home as a replacement for the grid energy you used to use, resulting in lower utility bills and electricity costs, as solar energy tends to be cheaper than energy from the grid. Over time, we expect you to see solar savings increase as your solar costs are locked in, while the grid power that you would otherwise be using tends to get more expensive. Solar can also help keep your costs down if you plan to increase your energy usage. Whether you're adding an EV, electrifying your home with new appliances, or growing your family, you'll benefit from powering your home with solar. No matter how much power you use, you'll always receive the benefit of your solar power first. When your system produces more energy than you need, that electricity can be sent back to the grid in exchange for credit or stored in a solar battery for later use. These credits roll over, so it doesn't matter if you need them later that day or later that year, you always benefit from the solar your home produces. So, start making a difference today by going solar with Axia.